I have this question that wants us to measure the angle CAB in this diagram. And the question says that in the figure below, AB and GE are parallel. That is, this line AB and GE are parallel. And the triangle ACD, this is triangle ACD, is an isosceles triangle with the length of CA and CD equal. Now, if ACD is an isosceles triangle and CA and CD are equal, that tells me that this angle here and this angle here are both equal. So if this is theta, what I'll have here also should be what? Theta. The measure of angles FD, the measures of angle FDE and GDH are 60 and 65 degrees respectively. Now we have to measure CAB, which I have tagged as X. Now if you look at angle 65 degrees here and the angle at the other side here, that's they are alternating angles. So this point will have what? 65 degrees. Now if you also look at angle EDF and angle GDA, they are also alternating angles. So at this side I have 60 degrees. So invariably I have 65 degrees, 60 degrees, I have 60 degrees, and I also have 65 degrees. I'm left with this angle. Now if you look at this angle closely, you see that this angle and theta are alternating angles. So this angle also what? Is theta. So at the end of the day, I can pick my angle at a point to actually be 65 degrees plus 60 degrees plus theta plus 65 degrees again plus 60 plus theta equals 360. Now that is what? Angle at a point. At a point. Now 65 plus 60, that's 125. That's 125 plus theta, that's 2 theta, plus another 125, that's equals to what? 360 degrees. So that 125 plus 125, that's 250. 2 theta plus 250 degrees equals 360 degrees. 2 theta equals 360 minus 250, which is equals to 110 degrees. So that theta invariably will be equals to 110 degrees divided by 2, which is equals to 55 degrees. Now, if theta is 55 degrees, what is X? Now, come back again to observing angle at EDF, that's 60 degrees, and angle at BED. Now, my angle at BAD is equals to the angle at EDF and is same thing as what? 60 degrees. That angle, they are what? Corresponding angles. So that if angle at BED is equals to 60 degrees, we can establish that X plus 55 degrees is equals to 60 degrees. X obviously will be equals to 60 degrees minus 55 degrees. That's equals to 5 degrees. So my X is equals to 5 degrees, and which is same thing as the angle at CAB. With this, I hope you understand how I solve this question. To ensure you get our next video, kindly hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That said, see you in my next class.